Oh my god, dude, that girlfriend's out walking the dog. Look at what I did.
Wait, what did it hit?
Well, boys, we took a big fat L on the E36 today. We got a couple $1,000s worth of damage. Some of the stuff I don't even know if I can fix. So let me rewind a little bit and we'll start at the beginning. I actually haven't driven this car since I installed the new intake, and it's a nice warm day out today. So I want to just drive it and see what the IATs look like, because that new intake should mean that our IATs are not going extremely above ambient like they were before. I'm talking plus 20, 30, 40 degrees over ambient temps. Not good. Oh yeah, this never gets old. Son of a I just f***ing destroyed the front of this thing. That's not supposed to be like that. The frickin' the hood's frickin' gone. The frickin' windshield smashed. The frickin' roof. Oh, dude, there's a huge dent on the roof. Frickin' messed up my carbon fiber sunroof. Son of a. I freaking forgot. I freaking forgot to latch the hood, and I didn't even get it on video. Dude, this is freaking carbon fiber's destroyed. My freaking hood latches are broken. Emblem's gone. What the? Freaking broken. Windshield's even more broken now. Oh my god, dude, this crack is freaking huge now. Dude, this is... I can't believe I did that. Perfectly good hood, destroyed. Probably most pissed off about my freaking roof, that there's a dent up there now. Let me get back to the garage. Well, yeah, that wasn't like that. It wasn't that bad. Well, at least I can say my air temps look good. If there's anything positive to bring out of this whole fiasco, which there really isn't. Girlfriend's out walking the dog. Look at what I did.
What?
Look at the hood.
What happened?
I freaking didn't latch my hood and it blew up and it hit my windshield.
Wait, what's this?
Yeah, that's what just happened. I didn't latch it. It blew up, hit the windshield, and look at the roof. Freaking dented the roof.
When did you even leave the house?
A couple, like, I don't know, 10 minutes ago.
Wait, what did it hit?
It wasn't latched, so the wind caught it, blew it up, and smashed up here.
And on the other side?
Yeah. I don't care about the windshield because it was already broken, but now the hood's destroyed. And the roof's all f***ed up.
What are you, oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, when the latches came up, I assume it smacked the roof and freaking. What are you looking at? No, I don't think it messed up anything back there.
You have to get a new hood?
Yeah, I have to get a new hood now, and figure out who can fix this roof.
Did you take a video of that?
Yeah. I mean, I didn't get it on video when it happened, though.
Wait, so the part, the like circle part is missing too?
Yeah, the BMW emblem flew off. I'm not happy. That was one of the dumbest things I've ever done, at least car-wise. This just sucks. So obviously when it blew up, the emblem blew off. I don't know where that is, that's gone. I don't really care, whatever. Both hood latches are broken. I assume that's probably what slammed into the sunroof or the roof or something. The sides of the carbon fiber hood are cracked in multiple places. Passenger side window is now cracked, which it was not before. It was just the driver's side. I mean, it needed replaced anyway, but still. Driver's side of the hood is cracked multiple places. Obviously there was already a crack in the windshield over here, but it's much larger now. And then the worst part is just, it's the roof. I don't know, however it came up and bashed into the roof just made a big old dent. So I don't know if I can get a paintless dent repair guy to fix that or what. There's multiple dents. My carbon fiber sunroof delete took some damage. I might be able to clean some of that off. Hopefully it's not too noticeable. Also, luckily, nothing came back and flew off and hit my wing, because I would have been really disappointed if that would have been damaged, as expensive as that thing is and hard to find too. Then under here, you can hear the whole hood's loose. It's split in a whole bunch of different places. Underneath you can really see. You can see it's kind of wobbly. I mean, this thing is shot. Luckily, I don't think anything under the hood took any damage. Thankfully, nothing in the bag, because if something would have broke off and messed up my fresh paint or something, I would have been even more pissed. Cowl looks fine. That really sucks. I mean, it could have been worse, but it really sucks. I'm gonna take a little bit of polish here to the sunroof. Just see how much of that I can clean up. Hopefully it's not too noticeable afterwards. Well, that is better. It's not as noticeable. I mean, you can still tell that there's like a little chunk missing, but it's not the worst thing, so we'll see. I mean, I'll have to replace it eventually. I just don't know what we're gonna do about this roof. That's my biggest concern. That's just, I don't even know if you guys can see it. Maybe there with the reflection. I mean, it's just a huge dip right there, almost all the way across. I needed to get the windshield replaced anyway. That's not a huge deal. The hood, it's expensive, but that's a simple bolt-on solution. Take the old one off, put the new one on the roof. The roof just sucks because I can't fix it, but I gotta get to looking for new hoods. I'm definitely sticking with carbon fiber. I don't know, I was thinking about maybe the GTR style vented hood and probably color match it, but leave the vents carbon fiber. That's what I wanted. I guess this is an excuse to do so. I don't know, we'll see. And I gotta find someone to fix this windshield. I don't know who. Give me ideas about a new hood. What do you guys think? Should I keep it the same? Should I change it up? And then if you guys think a PDR guy can get this dent out of the roof, I don't know, let me know before I waste my time calling around. Other than that, let that be a lesson to always check your hood latches and make sure that they're actually latched. I don't know how I forgot that they weren't latched. I don't know how I didn't see it. I guess because it's down low. I don't know if it's in that great a view when I'm driving. You would have thought I would have seen these things sticking up. It's just like falling apart. But that's gonna wrap up this short, depressing video. If you could, give me a like and a comment. Maybe YouTube will push this video and some of the revenue can help me recover from this and buy some parts to fix this giant mistake. So don't let this happen to you guys. Make sure your hoods are latched. Another way you can support the channel and this big dumb idiot who just destroyed the front of his car, you check out the merch on the website, boostedapexdesigns.com. You get this E36 sweatshirt. We also, if you don't want to spend that money, because sweatshirts are a little more expensive, I have the same thing but in just a regular t-shirt. I got some other designs too. I'll pop up here on the screen for you guys. But unrelated note, the interior with the new cage and everything was fantastic when I was driving it. Like it was really nice to look at. I was like, wow, it's actually complete in here, until the hood blew up and smashed the windshield. That and the intake air temperature seems to be good now with the new intake. So there's, I guess you could look at it as glass half full. I don't know. Anyway, we'll see you guys in another video.